If you want to learn 2 easy techniques for drawing lips, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Aida, welcome to my channel. For the first technique, you should draw a horizontal and a vertical line. Then, draw a circle on the horizontal line. I'm gonna call this circle 1. After that, draw 2 circles under the horizontal line. One of them at the left side of the vertical line and the other one at the right side. I'm gonna call them circle 2 and 3. Now it's time to draw outlines. Circle 1 is the guide for the upper lip. Circles 2 and 3 are used to help us for drawing lower lip. Then erase the guidelines and circles. You can also shade it. I'm gonna use a pencil and a cotton swab for shading. You can use tissue instead of cotton swab. The other technique is a little more difficult. First, draw a horizontal line for the mouth gap. Then, draw 2 parallel lines for lips, and a vertical line that shows us the middle part of the lips. Now start drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please tap the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great time.